Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Joel and welcome to Dope Tech Man. So in today's video, we are going to be seeing how to create the project that we created in the previous video, that is the blinking LED project in a virtual simulator. So if you don't know what is a virtual simulator, then you should check out my first video that I created in the Arduino tutorial series, and you can click this link, this I button here, to check that video out. And if you don't know which project we are talking about, you should check out my previous video where I have created the first blinking LED project using the real Arduino board. And in today's video, we are going to be creating that same project in the virtual Arduino simulator. So let's get started. So let's come back to my computer. So as you can see, we are using the Tinkercad website, and I have talked about this website in my first video. So in this Tinkercad website, we can create the virtual Arduino projects. So the first thing that we need to do is we have to sign in to the Tinkercad website, or if you don't have an account, you should create an account and then you have to sign in to this Tinkercad website, and then you have to click this circuits tab, and then this page appears. So the first thing that we need to do is we have to create a new circuit. So let's click here. So this is the page that appears when you click the create new circuit button. So now let's see what are the things we need. So as we have discussed in the previous video, we need a Arduino board, an LED and a resistor. So we have to go here in the components and select all. Okay, and then here is the resistor. So let's drag this resistor to this blank page. Okay, let's leave that here, and then let's type here Arduino. Okay, so Arduino, and as you can see that here is the Arduino Uno R3, which is the microcontroller. So let's drag that in here. Okay, so here is the Arduino, here is the resistor, and then we need an LED. So let's type in LED. So here is the LED. So let's drag that also here. So this is how the basic functioning or the basic way to use this Tinkercad website. Now we can leave this color here. The color does not play an important role, so we can just leave it here. Now let's click this resistor, and we have to change the value here to ohms. Okay, and we have to click here and write 220 ohms, because that is the approximate value which we need to light up a resistor, to light up a LED. So this resistor is of 220 ohms, and here's the LED, here is the Arduino board. So now let's wire them up. So now how to connect these components together? So that is very simple. We have to just press at its terminal. Like here it is showing that it is cathode and it is anode. So you have to press at the cathode, and then you can see that there is a wire there is this line that is coming out of it. So and we just need to connect it to the GND pin like this, and then again press it to connect it. So we have connected the GND pin to the cathode of the LED. Now we have to connect the anode of the LED to one end of the resistor, and the other end of the resistor back to, let's say, pin number 8. Okay, we are connecting it to pin number 8. So here, so like this, the basic circuit is complete. Okay, so we have created the basic virtual circuit in Tinkercad. Okay, so now how to create the program, how to write the code in the Arduino board, in this virtual Arduino board, which we can run in this virtual Arduino simulator. So let's see that. So for that, you have to click here, like here it is showing the code button. So you have to click here, and this thing appears. So we have to change this blocks to text. Continue, because we have to write the code in text, and that is how you can learn how you can do the programming when you get the real Arduino board. And you can already see that there is already some default program that is written here. So this is the default program that that is already written in the Tinkercad website for the Arduino board, and this is the same program that we need in here also, except for some changes. So the first thing that we need to do is we have to tell this Arduino board where the LED have been connected. So first we have to define the variable. Okay, so let's write int LED. Okay, this tells the Arduino board that this is a variable. Okay, int LED, and this LED variable is connected to pin number 8. Okay, and then we have to make some other changes also, like in pin mode you have to write LED instead of 13. So LED. Okay, so the pin mode LED, it has been set as output. Then we have to come down and we have to write LED instead of this 13 in digital write also. So here also we have to write LED. Then coming down in here we have to write LED here also, and this program seems correct. Okay, so finally we have written the complete program. And if you want to know what this program is and how this program works, you have to check out my previous video where I have talked about how this program works in detail. So in here I am not going to explain it again because the video will become very lengthy. So I am just writing this code in a very fast manner, and so that I can show you the real thing that I want to show you through this video, that is how to use the virtual simulator. So finally we have completed everything. We have created this circuit, we have connected this LED, this resistor to this Arduino board, and then we have written the code of this virtual Arduino board in here. Okay, by pressing this code tab. So as you can see, it is written here, and we have just modified it a little bit because the default program that is given in this Arduino virtual simulator is not the program that we need. Okay, but it is somewhat similar also. So now how to test this? Okay, so to test this program you have to click start simulation button. So when we click it, it is initializing. Okay, so the code has started working. So it is showing this simulator time. You can see here, right? So this has started simulating the virtual Arduino board. So as you can see here, this LED is glowing, right? So this is how the Arduino virtual simulator works. As you can see here that this LED is blinking after every alternative second. That is how the virtual simulator works. And now if we change these values, like if we change this delay to 100, first we have to stop the simulation, and then if we change this, like we are writing the delay 100 in here, and then we are also writing delay 100 in here also. Then we already know that with this program the LED is going to blink much faster because the delay is lower. So let's start the simulation again, and so as you can see here, the LED has started to blink faster. So that is how this virtual Arduino simulator works. And like this you can create other projects that we can create in the real Arduino board using this virtual simulator, so that you can check out how this program works, or if there is another error or not. Or if you don't have an Arduino board, then you can also try how it will be if you use an Arduino board. You can get the experience using this virtual simulator. So that is how you can create a virtual Arduino project using Tinkercad website. And if you have any doubts or queries regarding this project or this website Tinkercad, you can comment that your doubts below, and I will try to get in contact with you and solve your doubt. And also this is just the beginning of the things that you can do in the virtual simulator, and there are a lot of things that you can do in the virtual simulator, and I think you should also check those things out. You should try and start tinkering with the things that you can see in the Tinkercad website. And thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, give it a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Until then, we will catch you in the next video with a new topic or a new project. Bye bye.